Tired of missing out on breaking news? Let's get CNN streaming on your smart TV in under 90 seconds. First, grab your smart TV remote. The method to access CNN depends on your TV's operating system and your preferred way to watch. Option 1. The CNN app. Navigate to your smart TV's app store. Why this could be Google Play Store, Samsung apps, or something similar. Search for CNN and download the official CNN app. You'll likely need a cable or satellite subscription to log in and access live content. Option 2. Live TV streaming services. Services like YouTube TV, Sling TV, Hulu Plus Live TV, and DirecTV Stream offer CNN as part of their channel lineups. Download their respective apps, sign up for a subscription, and you're good to go. These offer a cable-like experience without the cable box. Option 3. Check your existing cable or satellite provider's app. Many providers like Xfinity or Spectrum have their own apps that let you stream live TV, including CNN, on your smart TV. Just download the app and log in with your account credentials. Troubleshooting time. If CNN is buffering or not loading, first, check your internet connection. Reboot your router and your smart TV. Make sure your TV's software is up to date. A slow internet connection is the most common culprit. Still having trouble? Contact CNN's customer support or your TV provider's help desk. They can provide specific assistance based on your setup. And that's it. You're now ready to stay informed with CNN on your smart TV. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more tech tips.